In this video, we will demonstrate the functionality and installation process of the TRC1, or Throttle Response Controller. The TRC1 is designed to completely customize your driving experience. In the box, you will find the controller, a wiring pigtail, and a couple of zip ties. The first step is to connect the wiring harness to the controller. Note the orientation of the connector. To continue, pop open the hood and disconnect the negative battery terminal. The TRC1 interfaces with the top of the OEM throttle pedal. The pigtail features 3 connectors, one for the controller, one for the OEM harness, and one for the throttle pedal. On the vehicle, disconnect the OEM plug and attach it to the corresponding TRC1 pigtail. Then connect the TRC1 plug to the throttle pedal. Each of the connectors may require some effort to ensure a solid connection. Secure the controller using the provided zip ties. Next, reconnect the negative battery terminal. After the battery is connected, turn on the vehicle and pair the controller with the TRC1 application on your smartphone. The free TRC1 app, available on Google Play Store or Apple Store, utilizes your phone's Bluetooth connection and allows you to customize settings, change modes, and even the ability to lock out the throttle to prevent the vehicle from being driven without a password. Customizable settings let you choose from multiple modes to match your driving needs: smooth daily driving or aggressive response for more spirited drives. Exclusive off-road mode provides enhanced throttle control on challenging terrain like sand, rocks, or steep inclines.